Latest on Cyclone Fani, which is strengthening today. Winds now 130 miles per hour, that's around 210 kilometers per hour, and a pressure of 940 millibars. That's our best estimate at this time, as of 2:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time this May 2nd. On the CDPS, not too much has changed in terms of what we're expecting when the storm does make landfall, wherever that may be. Stage 5 on the CDPS makes it a potentially devastating storm with significant amounts of rain possible, along with those winds which we are expecting, and the landfall intensity to be higher than before. Here it is right now at 17.1 north, 84.8 degrees east, a category 4 on the Saffir-Simpson scale, extremely severe cyclonic storm on the Indian scale. Here's where it is in relation to areas nearby: 102 miles only from Srikakulam, 110 from Visakhapatnam, 248 from Cuttack, 450 from Kolkata, and 593 from Dhaka. Those who've been watching our updates know that those numbers are reducing. Tropical storm conditions possible in these yellow areas in the next 48 hours, and of course many of those regions will see far worse than tropical storm conditions when this storm does strike. Looking onto the forecast here, you can see the storm moving off towards the northeast, but not enough to avoid that landfall. At some point we expect on Friday evening perhaps. Maybe it will end up being sooner than that if it does accelerate quicker than expected, but intensification is still possible all the way up until landfall, which does mean that this storm could start to rival the intensity of Cyclone Giri, which struck Myanmar in 2010, or the cyclone that struck Odisha back in 1999, which was probably the deepest storm to strike the eastern coast of India. It could rival those two storms at a worst case scenario. Temperatures right now though, sea surface temperatures around 30 degrees Celsius, which is certainly more than warm enough for a significant cyclone like this, and to fuel further intensification. The only thing that could stop it is wind shear or dry air, and I don't think either of those are looking too bad. Here is another look at the wind profile of the storm as it moves inland there, skirting the coast really on Friday into Saturday, before and after landfall, and then eventually moving off towards the northeast, over Bangladesh, and then possibly back over India again towards the Himalayan region, and it will pretty much be out of the picture by the weekend really. Saturday, Sunday it will be gone, leaving behind whatever it has done in its wake. So here are the chances of tropical storm force winds now then. 65% still at Visakhapatnam. It's going to be on the western edge of the storm wind field. 80% now at Srikakulam, 90% at Cuttack, 75% at Kolkata, and 55% in Dhaka in Bangladesh. This is what the models are saying right now. Interestingly, none of them calling for much further strengthening, only towards mid-range category 4. It's currently low-end category 4, and some models calling for weakening. However, wind shear is going to be low and is actually decreasing a little bit at the moment. Sea surface temperature on a slight decline as well. Relative humidity not looking too bad, but really when you look at those conditions, strengthening cannot be ruled out. Significant strengthening indeed. And here's another reason why. Look at the satellite imagery in the latest frames. The eye has been starting to deepen in those recent frames. You can see the movement there just about towards the northeast. Not particularly quick, but it will start to accelerate over the next few hours and days. And you can just see how close it is getting now to the Indian coastline. The main bulk of the storm will start to affect coastal regions pretty soon, and that will continue up the coast over the next 24, 36, 48 hours perhaps, as we continue to watch that eye deepen. I would watch this space very closely. Over the next 24 hours, this storm could blow up even more. You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com. You can also find our YouTube channel. If you're not there already, you may well be. Good chance of that. Subscribe if you haven't. You can also find our Facebook page, search Force 13 all in text, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 on there. You can also help the project become even better by becoming a patron. You can see more information about all the benefits involved by visiting patreon.com/Force13. You can also contact me on Discord. It's Fool13 at extension 9094 and Force13 on Skype. You can also find our server link to our Discord server for tropical weather chat in our description.